Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. My name's Maeve, and I made this channel so you could follow along my journey learning more woodworking skills. Right now I'm a senior in high school, and well, I started my own business, so we'll see how that goes. It's called Little Wolf Woodworking, and I'm making the tools that you use for different fiber arts, which have been a hobby of mine for like a really long time. Like, if you could see my closet, it's way too cluttered. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to make some of these tools, as well as pens. So these are tapestry bobbins, and well, you use them like shuttles for tapestry. Now, the difference between tapestry and weaving is that tapestry, you make a picture, which means that instead of going back and forth completely, you're gonna go back and forth like that, then back and forth like that, and so on. So you're making a picture within your piece instead of just patterns. Now, I started wood turning a few years ago when we started making Christmas presents for my cousins, and well, that was pretty fun. Then when I took a class on tapestry, I went home and I showed my dad these bobbins, and he said instead of making them, which, well, you need a lot of them, instead of buying them, which you need a lot of them, we decided to make them, which is a lot cheaper and easier and way more fun. So you're gonna need at least one of these for each color. And if you want to have more than one spots of colors, you're gonna need more than one for each color. So all in all, you're gonna need a lot of these. Now, what else I make other than fiber arts tools are pens, which I'm pretty sure you know how to use a pen. This is just a simple twist pen. So in the videos that follow, I plan on showing you guys some of my tools, materials, and techniques. Hopefully you guys can, pick up something, or if you have any tips, please let me know. I'd love to have your input.